welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the Chainless Foundation half double crochet stitch. This stitch is a great alternative to chaining and working your half double crochets into a starting chain. It's stretchier, it has more give, and it looks a lot cleaner and nicer and helps prevent things like twisting or working into the wrong stitches or anything like that. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using some We Crochet woolen cotton. This is a nice wool cotton blend. It's a DK number 3 weight yarn. I'll link it in the description. And I have an H 5mm crochet hook for this tutorial. It's a Furls wood, streamlined wood hook. I'll link that as well. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, to do your chainless foundation half doubles, you can start with a slip knot, and we are going to chain 2. 1, 2. I'm going to be working into this first chain. I'm going to work in the back bump. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to insert my hook into the back bump of that chain. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 1, and I have 3 loops on my hook again. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through all 3 to complete my half double crochet stitch. So there's the top of my stitch up here, and here's the bottom. We're going to be working into the bottom. We're going to be working in those loops at the very bottom. The 2, it's hard to see right now, but we'll see it better soon. The 2 loops at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over. It's a little bit easier to see from the side. I'm going to insert my hook under those 2 loops at the bottom. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 3 loops on my hook again, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So I've completed my second chainless foundation half double crochet stitch. You can see that second one a little bit better. These 2 bottom loops right here. We're going to yarn over and insert our hook into, the 2 bottom loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, 3 loops on the hook again, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So I've completed 3 half double crochets. Let's do some more. Yarn over, insert hook into the bottom 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert under the bottom 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. And this is what it looks like so far. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, and you can work as many as you want. Yarn over, insert under the 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, 3 loops on the hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. So we've started our chainless foundation single crochet row. Say you had to do half double crochets in the next row. So you're just going to, you're working here. Your hook is at the top of your stitches. So you would just chain 1 and turn. So these are the top of your stitches where you're at. You're going to just work your half double crochets into those stitches just as you would if you had chained and worked half double crochets into the chain. So that's how you do the foundation row. And then that's what it looks like when you're working into the stitches that you've created. And that's all there is to it. I just really like this. I like how much cleaner it looks. There's no gaps here at the very bottom of the chain. And it just looks really nice, and it's stretchier, and it's just great for necklines or the bottom of garments or all kind of places in crochet projects. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.